Yes. Good afternoon, good morning, good evening, good night. Whatever time you're tuning, you're listening to this. Welcome again to the channel. Welcome to a Jamaican society where we talk about everything what go on in our country, what go on in our society. See and where. Remember, you're more than willing to leave your comment and your feedback. Anything you want say, just leave it in the comment section and then we can chat about it. See and we. So welcome. Everyone is welcome. You're welcome to participate. If you don't like something what me say, just say, you know, so me not like what you said there, so whatever. We not have to fight about it. So what me I say now, me I read a thing in the Star this morning now. And it's saying that woman allegedly set ablaze by jealous boyfriend. Yeah, so in boyfriend, our boyfriend now threw a gas pan her and burn her up. She not dead because people was around where they use blanket and flour and out the fire for her, but she still badly burnt. According to a Star I say, she badly burnt. Same way. Yeah, this happened down Great River down Hanover down there, so. Down Hanover. So it's like, me no know what really go on. A couple them operate a car wash and a bar, so you know a trying people them and things. So they have some kind of domestic problems according to what I'm reading in the Star. And therefore me no know him and just decide say boy the solution for solve this a problem you have to burn up the woman. So now the residents of Great River, Hanover, so them a look for him, they want to find him. So, me da advise this a brother you know, he need to turn himself in before the resident them find him, cause me not think the resident them have no good plan for him. According to how he sound, cause he sound like the resident them angry about it and them a look for him, and if they ever catch him, trouble there in foot. But what me I say now still, what happened to Jamaica now? What happened to our men? Why is it that our men feel that it's alright to abuse our women like this? I mean, any woman lend you it, you know. So if a woman give way to somebody else, or whatever the case is, you're not supposed to reach to that drastic point. Any woman lend you. Yeah, nobody feel say you owe nothing for no woman. Yeah, me a listen a tune from an artist, what's she name? Sasik. Yeah, me a listen a tune from an artist named Sasik. And basically one of your song I say, boy, I lend you it and never, you know, enough for you. So, the Jamaican men, our men need to understand that a thing with the funny woman and enough for we. You know what I mean? The woman can live with her things whenever she want. That no mean so you must burn her up. That no mean so you must kill her. You know what I mean? Me know say it kinda hurt. But we'll leave more woman out there. We'll leave other woman out there, man. Go find a next woman and move on with your thing. You know what I mean? But to take it to a point where you have to throw a gas pan her and burn her up. No right. That can't right, none at all. None at all that can't right, me people. So, I hope that, the relevant authority catch him and bring him in. But if a resident them catch him first and do what they want to do to him, me still not feel sorry for him. Because he shouldn't burn up the people them girl picnic like that. You know what I mean? This society is getting too violent against our women, and our men need to understand that women are to be cherished. Yeah, we need to take care of a woman them, love them and take care of them and not bother with them kind of fire business there. You burn up your woman. As you can see on my screen, you see a fire, but some yam and roast and some breadfruit. You know what I mean? But I think now that something is wrong in our society, as I said on my other clips and my other videos. We have to reevaluate things and look into ourselves. But this is not right, none at all, for us to do this to our women. They mess up me on the right. We have to love with women. A matter of fact, if a man want to love all 1, 2, 3 women, it is better than love one woman and then abuse her. You know, she give away something and your head just chip. Because you invest everything into her and you think it's yours. You don't want nothing for no woman, man. No care what you do for your woman, you still not own her. You can't own human being. You can't own people. No. So, my viewers, my listeners who are listening to this, leave your comment down below in the comment section. Let me know how you think about this situation. What are your thoughts, basically? And what solution? I don't think there is much solution in our society when it comes to domestic violence, because sometimes a man gets so angry that he loses himself. Not only men, but women lose their brain too when they get angry. Because they say bun hot, Yeah, when you give bun and the next person find out it kinda hot, so you have to be mature enough in realize, say, boy, alright, that's what he said. Just let go that, or give back some bun too. Instead of burning up somebody, or, murdering somebody, or, resort to that level of violent. You just move on, man. Get a next woman, or get even 2 more other women. Anything. If you get over that kind of, that kind of pain where you might have feel. But causing harm to somebody is not the solution. Causing physical harm to a woman or to a man because you're angry that that person hurt you can't be a solution. That can't be the right solution. Too much time we see this happen and it no work out. So I talk to me, a man them where listen to me right now, and the woman them where listen to me now. Anything can go on in a relationship. Anything can go on. Anything can happen. You have to understand, so in a relationship, it's not guaranteed to last forever. Especially in these days. So watch out now, my people. May I close out, Leave your comment, like, subscribe to the channel. Bless up on yourself.